Alright guys, today we're going to go over how to install the pin probe from FX into your impact. To do this job, all you're going to need is a 1.5mm and a 2mm. So first thing you'll want to do is cock your gun back. Just hold the cocking lever back, grab your 1.5mm. You're going to line up the probe carrier on these slots on the cheek piece here and spin out the 1.5mm screw. To get the probe out, you can just kind of bump it out like that. Then to install the pin probe, you'll want to check and make sure that they're about the same length. To start out, just spin in your 2mm on the back here to set the length, and then you'll slide the probe in from the back here. Line up the retaining screw, install that. And then with the magazine, just check and make sure that your magazine fits in well and that the probe length is set correctly. If it's too long, the magazine won't go in. If it's too short, you'll hear popping when you fire the gun. But that's how you do it. That's everything you need to do. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below or give us a call.